Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Blackout Mutation and grow a garden. Sorry, I'm just stocking up on some lollipops here, but it is a new weather here. As you can see, the Reaper increased blackout fruit chance. So if the spike hits the your fruit, your plant, your crop, whatever you want to call it, it's going to get the blackout mutation. Oh my gosh, that was very hard for me to say for some reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!